The next tutorial will be about generating the system profile report and the panel configuration report. We're going to keep both of these instructions together because it's almost the same process. There's just one step that's slightly different. Both of these reports are run off the Insight PC, and we're going to start off with the system profile report. The first step is to locate the Insight toolbox, which is this, and we find the report builder and we click report builder. Then we click definition and new, and then we're going to scroll down to the report that we want to generate, and we want to do the system profile report, and then we press OK. Now at this point you could press run, but the output will only go to the screen and we need it to save as a file. So we're going to press configure, and then we're going to tick file and press the options, and then we're going to click on the output file options, and this is where we can choose the location the file saves, the name of the file, and the type of the file. So we are going to put it in the desktop because that's easy to remember where it is, and we're going to call it SPR. You can name it system profile report or the name of your site _SPR, whatever works for you. And we need it to stay in a CSV, so we're going to leave this as it is, and then we press save. Then we press OK, we press OK, and we press run report. Now we wait for the report to generate, and when it's finished it will say end of report at the bottom. There we go, we can see it says end of report. So now we can close the system profile report and close this, say no, and close the report builder, and we'll see the SPR is now on the desktop. Okay, so the next report that we're going to run is the panel configuration report. The same as before, we need to locate the Insight toolbox and click on the report builder. Then we click definition and new. Now we choose the report that we want to run, which is the panel configuration report, and we press OK. Again, we want the output to go to a file, so we press configure, we tick file, and we press the options button, and then we press the output file options, and we are going to save this on the desktop because we remember where that is, and we're going to call it PCR for panel configuration report, and we leave it as a CSV. Now you can press save, press OK, and press run report, and we allow the report to generate, and then it says end of report at the bottom. Now we close this and we say no, and now we have the panel configuration report and the system profile report on the desktop. Now you can send us those reports and we can give you a quote.